hours. I'm not gonna go for the 3 hours we did last night, because my time I stayed up until 2 a.m. If anybody wants, they can go to Greater Rockford and get on ATC. And we can have a realistic air traffic control. Anyway, what is going on? Iceland Air, you're clear to depart. I think the guy is fireboat is waiting for me. I think. If you guys don't go. Yeah, we can do a Lufthansa A340 flight. I'll spawn in the plane when we get to Greater Rockford. That's the one in L. And then also, guys, I think we're doing plane watching later, so you guys will get to really show off your landing skills. Anyway, alright, and you get out of here. In the second you depart, I'm gonna get on. My co-pilot. I don't know exactly who you are in chat. When we get close enough, I'm gonna give you control. If you attempt to crash this plane, I'm taking you out of control. You keep in mind, guys, I can't kick any of you off the server. A landing competition. Yes. We can do a landing competition at Greater Rockford. Maybe after this flight or the next flight, we can do a landing competition. Alright, we appear to have somebody coming up. Alright. We're departing here in a minute. Here we go. Clear fire for departure. Tokyo International. Not Tokyo. Great Rockford International Airport. Let's go.